Hey guys, Michael White here. Hey look, I got my welcome kit, my 30-day success formula welcome kit in the mail today, and I just want to go over with you what you get in your kit. Now when it comes in your mailbox, they mail them out in these little fancy color. I'm not going to show my address, but these little fancy packages. So you will see something come in the mail to that effect. I don't know if it'll be this exact one. I've seen people that get different color ones, but it'll come in an envelope similar to that. And what you'll get, you'll have a red envelope. You have your red envelope in there, and inside the folder. Inside the folder, you have your welcome letter. Now, if you read this, if you think the sales letter get you excited, try reading that. You're welcome, your 30-day success formula. Welcome to the 30-day success formula. This is just your welcome letter. And what it does, it just goes over the ins and outs of the business, your rules, things that you need to do inside your business to be successful. They also give you instructions on how to upgrade. So if you didn't come in at the highest level, level 6, if you didn't come in at level 6 and you one day are going to upgrade, it gives you specific instructions on how to upgrade. Let me see. It also gives you, like if you want to let the company mail for you, if you want the company to mail letters out for you, it gives you the your advertising order form. It gives you the pricing. It gives you the pricing on the order form. Now this company gets, they say they get about a 4, let me see, I think anywhere from a 2 to 8% response. So that's pretty powerful. They have their own list company that they use, that they know sells them very good leads that convert. So if you're getting anywhere around, in it, especially direct mail, if you're getting somewhere around 5%, I mean, you are doing excellent. I mean, for real, you're doing excellent. But they have the pricing. Also, they have the do-it-yourself advertising order form. So if you want to order the letters from them, have them printed up and sent to you, they have the pricing for that. Very good pricing for that. So, and they have an advertising bundle deal to where they will do everything. You don't have to touch nothing. I mean, they will mail everything out for you, stuff the envelopes, put the postage on the envelopes, and everything. So you do not have to touch nothing. All you got to do is pull your credit card out, call the company up, and order ever how many letters that you want to go out in the mail. Now, the other thing that you get in here is this little booklet. And this booklet is your products and services. They show you what they offer as far as the products go. Of course, the courseware that you buy, that you get when you come into the different levels. Or you can buy this courseware just by itself. Just say, for instance, you have somebody that just, they don't really want to do the business, but they want the courses. They can buy the courses. They can buy the courses separately. I mean, as one. They can buy all the courses in one bundle deal. Also, they offer their Coursera service. Their credit cards, have the credit cards that they offer. And they also have like prepaid credit cards. You can get prepaid credit cards through this company also. And they also offer you the websites, the business in a box, the e-commerce websites that you can buy. You got different bundle deals that you can buy. And these websites, they are already making money. You can go purchase these sites, and these sites are already up. They're running. They're already making money. So these are the products and services that you get. And here's the debit card order form. You get that. Order your debit card. And here's a new product alert. They're talking about the for the credit cards and the prepaid cards. It's some kind of new product alert that they're alerting us about. But that's basically it. You know, it's just a package that gets you abreast on what's going on, how to do your business, your expected success rate. If you mail out so many letters a month, it lets you know what you can potentially make. And trust me, you can get excited when you look at this stuff. But the name of the game is consistency, doing this on a consistent basis, getting something out, whether it's via the internet or via direct mail. But you always want to keep your stuff in front of people every day. On our team, what we're offering is training. I mean, we train you on, okay, how to advertise, what to do. You know, we get a feel of where you are. What do you want to do it? Do you want to do it via internet? Do you want to do it via direct mail, or a little bit of both? We have the best of both worlds as far as the training and the things that you need to do to make yourself successful. Now, another thing that I'm offering is a free trip. And when you decide to join my business, I'll tell you even more about the free trip. You can win a free trip to several U.S. destinations and some international destinations. But you can ask me about the free trip. Also, I'm giving away free leads. For people that come in at level 3, I'll offer 250 leads. If you come in at level 4, level 3, 250 leads. Level 4, 350 leads. Level 5, 500 leads. And of course, if you come in at level 6, 600 leads. And these will be pill and stick labels from one of our mailing companies that sells us our list, and we have about 5 of them that we use that sell very, very good lists. So but that's what you'll get. That's what you'll get when you come with me. But that's what I just wanted to show you today. Just you know, your welcome kit when it comes in the mail. Be looking for an envelope packaging such as this, something similar to this, and just read it and let's get going. So, but that's all I got for today. It's just my welcome kit. It actually came yesterday, April the 15th. And so I'm excited. I'm excited to really get this thing going and really taking it to another level. And I'm looking forward to working with you. So, but this is all I got for today. This is Michael White. I'm signing off. But until I see you on the inside, peace and prosperity.